So here we have Ava and Ryan playing a game while they're listening to music, and we are increasingly upping their music randomly to the point where they're not going to notice that the music is changing volume, and this is because of sensory adaptation. And the difference threshold is going to be them noticing the volume, but because they're playing the game, they're distracted. And when do they notice that they're no longer noticing it? At the end, when they take it out, they'll probably realize how loud their music actually is. What is occurring that you no longer notice? They don't notice that the volume's changing. And this could also be in a situation where you're looking at something, you're not going to notice that you're zoning out and looking at something because of sensory adaptation. And this is adaptive because you are not noticing it. Leave it. Did you realize how loud your music was? No. Did you realize how loud your music was?
Huh? No.
Yeah. Sensory adaptation! So here are our test subjects. I would like you to take your fingers and move them really close to your face and slowly bring them together. Tell me, at what point do you think your fingers are touching? Whoa. There's a floating finger. This is weird. It looks like they're touching. There you go, touch. So they are seeing their fingers overlap right now.
So what this is called is the finger sausage phenomenon. And so the perception that is involved in this is because there are two different eyes receiving different images of the fingers, the brain combines the two and perceives it as a floating finger in the middle. And the sensation is just the two different eyes viewing the image. And next question. The binocular cue that this demonstrates would be retinal disparity because of the two different eyes. They both take in a different image, and this can increase or decrease the farther away that what they're viewing is. And last but not least, someone wouldn't experience this if they only had one eye, meaning only one image was taken in, or if they were blind. The end.